Hello again. This is Orientation Lesson 8, Beehive Brain Box Learning System number 4 for students. Okay, I have updated my deck, and today we are to add is and you. Is and you. Is and you. You're going to put these behind number 1, which I'm going to do right now. Now, it says add 2 more instant words, which is and you, which we have done. Make sure you get them on your cards. Pause the video if you want to, and add them to your deck. And then study your deck the way you have been taught. Start with the cards that are behind weekly, because we do have some, and you should have some behind weekly now. You should have the first ones that you did behind weekly. So you're going to start not with the weeklies. You can always set the weeklies aside. You just do them on one day, which will be tomorrow as far as we're concerned, because this is the fifth lesson. So we can set the weeklies aside, and we can put our deck face down, and then we know we'll put that face up on top of the weekly card. We have a 5. We're going to put that face down, and we were able to advance the to the weekly, so we put it under the weekly and turn the weekly face up. Okay, we now have a 5 face down on the table, and behind the 5, or behind the 4, we have of. Do we know that? Yes, we do. So that goes behind 5. And we know that, so that goes behind 5. Those are the cards that are going to go behind 5. Then we turn them over and put them on top of the weeklies. We move the 4 to face down on the table. And do we know this one? We don't know this one. Well, we set that aside over here, and we are going to put the 4 on the card deck face up. We don't have anything to go behind number 4. Okay, we're going to put the 3 down and pick up the cards that are under 2. Do we know in? Yes. So we put that behind the 3, and that's all we have behind the 3. Now we're going to pick up the 2 card and put that face down on the table. Do we know you? Yes. Do we know is? Yes. So we pick those up and put those face up with the face 2 over here on the other side, and then we have 2 that we need to drill a little bit more. 2, 2, 2, and we just leave it behind number 1. Now, as you go through these cards a little bit more, you will be able to advance them all behind number 5 or weekly, I'm sure, depending upon where you are, of course, in your schooling. That's it for lesson 98.